welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So for today's video guys, I will share you naman kung paano kumuha ng emojis na may buhok. Pwede na! Guys, na hindi tayo gagamit ng apps. So, are you excited? Excited talaga. So, tara, gawin na natin guys. Sundan nyo lang ang aking gagawin. And kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the tiny bell button para lagi kang update sa aking videos. So guys, let's go. Sundan nyo lang ako. So, punta po tayo sa ating Chrome or Google. Search po natin ang trending emoji. Ayan. Click lang po natin yan. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo po, ito. Ayan. May buhok. Click lang po natin. Tran. Scroll natin na ba? Ayan. Diba may buhok? Ayan. Pilakalu emoji. A new Pilakalu emoji is trending today on the internet with two funny characters added in between emojis, which is called Pilakalu in Telugu. Now, these emojis are trending in social media, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, and even in memes. Here in the articles, I'll show you how to add the new trending Pilakalu emojis on your chat for memes and for memes. Just copy and paste Pilakalu emoji to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Tumblr. All emoji in one place. Supported on iOS, Android, OS Windows System. Ayan. Click lang po na, long press po natin. Ayan. Di ba ang saya? Ayan. Ayan, long press lang po. And then, ayan, click nyo po yung copy sa taas. Long press. Copy, click copy. Ayan. Tapos, punta po tayo sa ating Messenger on mag-add story tayo. Text. Want to learn? Add. How to add like this emoji with the hair. Kunin natin yung emoji na haha. Ayan, cut natin. Lagay natin dito sa watch this. Watch valedictorian.